These next few minutes are going to save you so much time in the future. It's something I wish I would have implemented a long time ago. It's not sexy. It's not a camera review or lighting technique or something like that. It's a before you export checklist. I know this isn't one everybody wants to talk about, but this is so important and it will save you so much time. Let's go through these. Spelling is correct in all lower thirds. Especially if you're exporting a large video file that is going to take a while and then upload and then send it to the client or whatever, don't spell somebody's name wrong. I've literally done this 50 times and it's so annoying, so don't do it. Double check your spelling. Go back through your emails, look through the lower thirds that they sent you, the names, the spelling, make sure it's right. Number 2, audio levels, EQ, and the mix. Listen through it through different sets of headphones. I have nice headphones here on my computer and on my desk, but listen through it through AirPods, listen through it through plug-in headphones, listen through it through cheap headphones, because not everybody's going to sit here with studio monitors and listen to your video. They're going to listen to it on their phone out loud with no headphones. They're going to listen to it in their AirPods, yada, yada, yada. Make sure you listen to your audio levels, check those, your EQ, and your mix. Okay, color and adjustment layers. I cannot tell you the amount of times I've seen people export a video that is flat with no grade, and I'm like, why? Just even a little bit of something would have helped, right? Make sure that you have color corrected and that your adjustment layers are turned on and all that good stuff. Also, in and out points. Your video is 2 minutes long, but if your in and out points are set to 10 minutes and you're wondering why your video is taking so long to export, make sure you check your in and out points before you export. Also, aspect ratio, codec, and bitrate. If this is a proxy file that somebody's just looking at and you want to dial that back so it's easier on the export on the computer, easier on the upload because it's a smaller file, make sure you're checking that. Make sure you're checking aspect ratio. Is this going for Instagram stories? Is this 16:9 for regular social or for a website? Make sure you check those things. Also, codec. Are you doing H.264? Are you doing ProRes? What are you doing? Make sure you check that before you export. The last thing is the destination of your file or your video. I can't tell you the amount of times I've exported a video and it's in the wrong folder, in the wrong bin, whatever it is, and it just wastes time. This is about making sure that you streamline your process and we don't waste time in the edit. I'm going to have a PDF in the notes below. Download that. Make sure you check this off every time you do it until it's second nature, because you don't want to make a mistake here, because it just wastes time and it wastes your client's time, it wastes your time. Not good. Hey, if you found this video helpful, click subscribe, click the thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.